Hello, one. Short video. What the heck about airsoft gear? Shoot, mask. Okay. Now, airsoft gear, you need gloves. They're green gloves. Yeah. I don't know if I got switches. Now, airsoft stuff you need, like the vest. Alright. You need the vest, the glove, the shotgun, and the mags, and it. Also, you need the pistol. This is the 2009 pistol. This is a very new one. The military gonna make this. No, that's not real. It's not real. It shoots CO2 out of a holster down here. Always good for the holster. And same string. My cousin gave me that. But we're gonna talk about. Oh yes, let me take off my hat. I could show you how to shoot the gun. Yeah, this is my backyard. Yes, I'm shooting. There's a mag for the shotgun. Wait a minute. You don't need mag for the shotgun. You need shells for the shotgun. Well, oh yeah. That's not real. This is all metal. This is the 870 shotgun. The mag. It holds 40 rounds. Oh yeah. Guess what I can do? I do one handed. With shotgun, you can't do one-handed shotgun because this would knock your socks off. This was a real gun. Now, the pistol. Now, now the pistol. You know how the pistol, how the knife works. It's a mag. Inside this mag is CO2. Let's block and roll it. Here we go. That does 9. I'll load. Go all the mags. It's need more CO2. How you get CO2 in them? I'll show you. Remove this button. Yes, sir. Remove this. Sorry. Yes. Move this stuff. Right, take this button off. Here's the CO2 cartridge inside of it. And put it back. There you go. Oh yes. You always need protection. Now the lunch. Sweeping off that. Yes, you can play airsoft. You need gloves. Yes, sir. Oh, you see what you when I get the stuff from. Okay, the stuff I got from evike.com. Yes, sir. I got this stuff from evike.com. The hat from the fairgrounds. Oh yeah, you can do a rollout, like Western rollout, everything. Shotgun is 250. The bags are 13. That holds 40 rounds. That's 20 rounds each. The mag holds 21 rounds. Yep, nice snug. Oh yeah, please support your local line. Please support your troops. And yeah, there you go. There's different kinds of airsoft stuff. There's a shotgun. There's a pump shotgun that I've seen. There's electric guns. There's CO2 variant, and there's spring power ones. I have a spring power shotgun. This is the NCV. Good day.